Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a landing page using Canva step by step. Start by selecting a landing page template to match your goal and audience, then set a clear headline and call to action. Use columns, images, and contrast to guide attention. Keep text concise and focused on benefits. Preview on desktop and mobile, then export a shareable link or publish to a domain when you are ready. Design your layout with clear sections for the headline, benefits, social proof, and CTA. Balance white space and visual hierarchy so visitors scan quickly. Choose fonts and sizes for readability and limit to 2 typefaces. Use high-quality images or illustrations that support your message. Make CTA buttons bold and obvious and test colors for contrast. Finally, set up responsive spacing to ensure the layout works on phones and tablets. Preview interactions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a fresh, long-lasting scent that makes drives nicer. It's a fun pick-me-up between design sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Add a simple form to capture emails, keeping fields to a minimum to boost conversions. Connect form to your email provider or CRM with Zapier or native integrations. Include privacy note and thank you message after submission. Test form flow and confirmation emails. Set up UTM tags and link tracking for campaigns. Review metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and average time to improve performance. Iterate based on user feedback and A/B testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.